going to do a quick how to check out a 9.3 Sport Sedan from up top and the known leaking points. So the first thing we're going to do is grab a flashlight, turn it on, and then look under the hood. Here, we've just replaced the brake vacuum pump on this one. And how it works out is essentially, this is where your pump goes into right here, and it meets, oh, well, there's dirt back there. Don't think they need that. It meets right back here on the back side of the valve cover. A known leaking point is the brake vacuum pump. How you can tell it's leaking if you don't see a lot of stuff up top is you can look down in the valley, and you see that that's some of the cleaner that I use too that'll burn up, but it goes and it sits right on top of the transmission. It leaks down there. So if you're looking at a car and you want to purchase one, brake vacuum pump is a known leaker, power steering pump is a known leaker. When the power steering pump leaks, it leaks on top of this guy right here, which is known to break. This is, it goes from your throttle body to your brake vacuum pump. It's a vacuum hose, hard vacuum line. Then the other things you always look for, check your belt. It's really easy to see this belt right here. Take a look at it. It looks pretty darn good. And then you always come back here and look in this valley and see if it's dry, wet, clean. This one's pretty clean. Valve cover's not leaking. When we have one with a leaking valve cover, we'll show you. So those are just 4 main things you can check very quickly to see how your car's doing. Have a nice day.